Hi, I'm Wilma, and in this video I show how easy it is to make gift tags out of clay. You need clay, cookie cutters, a rolling pin, and preferably 2 wooden strips so that the clay is evenly thick when you roll it out. If you want to imprint a texture, you will need lace that's washable. The lace is placed underneath and the clay is rolled out over it. When we turn the clay, you can see the texture well. Now let's see how we position the cookie cutters. Pull off the clay and carefully release the stars from the cookie cutters. And poke a small hole through with a ribbon, can be pulled later. Now lay out the clay stars on newspaper to dry. To prevent the stars or hearts from weeping, turn them every 8 hours so they dry evenly. After the first firing, glaze. I choose stars and hearts in 2 clay colors and 3 glazes to go with them: an opaque red, a semi-transparent green, and a gold tone. The first heart is finished, and so it goes with the others. This is how the gift tags look after glazing, and this is how they turn out after glaze firing. Ready to give away. Merry Christmas to you all, and not too many sad and depressed moments. Bye.